Oh, naka-on na yung video. Hello sa lahat, my name is Loudmine at itong video na to ay about kung saan nga ba to? Malalaman nyo rin. Just stick around. I want to jumpstart this video by sharing the unboxing compilation of the PC parts. Kita nyo naman, fineflex niya yung AVR. Hindi, joke lang. So, this PC build is owned by my best friend. Pinapakita namin ang unboxing para alam nyo what to expect kasi kailangan nyo maging mabusisi at wais kapag natanggap kayo ng items, it should be sealed. And ito kasi ay request build ng aking friend. He expressed his interest na gusto daw niya ng gaming PC. And after nun, pinakita niya sa akin na gusto daw niya bilhin tong pre-built na to. Sabi ko, no, you're not going to buy a pre-built PC. I will build your PC, just buy the parts from Shopee and everything kailangan brand new. So why do I recommend na pag first time builder ka, everything should be brand new, the PC parts. So, pwede mo kasi siyang ibalik pagka halimbawang nasira yung item or dahil first time mo pa lang, pwede ka pang magkamali, vulnerable ka pa. Pwede ka rin magtanong sa sellers about sa mga warranties kasi dun mo malalaman na ay sulit yung pera ko kasi yung warranties, yung inquiries mo nasasagot doon. So, I recommend na brand new talaga yung bibilhin para if ever kailangan mo ibalik yung item or may katanungan ka, madali para sa'yo. Kasi, even if bihasa ka na sa pag-build ng PC, pwede ka pa rin ma-scam. Nangyari yun sa amin sa build na to. Kasi, especially ngayon, ang dami nang nagbebenta ng overpriced, mga scalpers, mga PC builders din. And, they really wanted to sell this graphics cards to us na hindi siya bago. So, may scratches na yung ports, maalikabok na, and hindi na siya sealed nung pagtanggap. So, siya lang yung hindi sealed dun sa pag-unbox namin. Kaya namin pinakita tong unboxing video. Kasi, ayaw kong i-post kasi nasa-resolvehan na naman. Pero, I may post down below the comments yung pangalan ng seller para maiwasan nyo rin. Kasi, mahirap lalo na pag first time PC builder ka. Tapos, makakatanggap ka ng ganun. And, gusto ko, masulit ninyo yung pera ninyo pag bumili kayo ng PC parts. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, pandemic, we have a cryptocurrency bubble or crash na it's affecting us gamers kasi we are not the market. Mamahal dahil sa kanila yung PC parts ngayon, especially dahil pandemic. So, disclaimer para sa lahat, you can skip this part of the video para makita yung benchmark and end result nung PC build. But kung mabait kayo and nag-skip nga kayo, you can like and subscribe first to my YouTube channel, my Twitch channel, my Facebook gaming page kasi I do put a lot of effort to this video and you can comment as well down below for any questions and inquiries. Ilalagay ko rin lahat ng link ng binili ng friend ko sa Shopee. Please, reminder lang, this video is around March or April 2021. So, prices may vary talaga. It's so spontaneous and random. Kaya, wag nyo expect na this 35k build video maybe 25k, maybe 70k. Kasi, sobrang iba talaga ng mga prices kada buwan. Because I built my PC in November, December. Iba na yung presyo niya nung pagdating ng January. So, ganun ka iba-iba yung build. So, if you are targeting this date, this point in time, this is the video for you. And I am intending talaga to help you guys out. Kung meron na kayong 35k PC build, pwede nyo ring i-comment down below at i-share sa iba ang specs nyo. If intention mo talagang skip yung PC building part ng video na to, well, you can binge watch my content na lang if you like, but hey, the next part of the video is my girlfriend building the PC. So, maybe it's your fantasy na makakita ng girl na nagbe-build ng PC. Well, I gotcha, boy. I gotcha. So, roll the clip. So, kung first time mo palang magbe-build ng PC, please build the motherboard outside the case. So, kita nyo dyan sa video, nilagay ng girlfriend ko yung motherboard on top of the box and tapos yung wrap. So, maganda na ganyan ang practice kasi it's more comfortable and kita mo that way. And then, when ilalagay mo yung processor, you have to align the triangle nung processor, hawak niya yung processor dun sa motherboard. So, may ima-match ka na triangle doon. It depends on the motherboard where it is. So, it will fall into place. Huwag niyong pipisilin o pipilitin. So, ano yan? Fit na yan. It's meant to be that way. So, with the RAM naman, it depends because yung nabili namin is 16 gig na 8x2. So, per RAM slot, it's 8. So, kailangan i-align mo siya dun sa indicated na number. So, 1 and 2. So, meron yung sa manual. It depends on sa motherboard. Pero usually, siya ay may gap sa isa't isa. So, kita nyo parang may small gap. Kasi, it's intended that way. So, the next part is, ang gamit namin yung stock cooler. But I recommend na in the future, you have to upgrade your CPU cooler para at least mga 10 to 20 Celsius yung mabawas dun sa dun sa temps niya. So, ang stock cooler ng AMD may pre-applied na thermal paste na you can apply it na extra if you're feeling paranoid. So, yun. Pero meron na yan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. So, story time muna. So, yun ngang nabili namin na graphics card. So, hindi kasi siya brand new. We have nothing against naman sa second hand. Pero, mahirap kasi yung binili mo ng brand new yung price tapos bibigay sa'yo hindi maganda tapos gamit na. So, pagkakita namin nagulat talaga ako. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi oh shit, sabi ko kahit legit pala na shop nagtitinda ng ganun. So, hindi ko in-expect yun kasi I thought na Shopee is doing its best na ma-remove yung mga ganun pero hindi pa rin pala. So, I recommend na talagang busisiin niyo yung shop before kayo bumili kasi you might not know kahit legit yung shop, nagbebenta pa rin sila ng second hand kasi hindi rin sila aware sa mga binebenta nila. So, explain ko lang rin. So, we are not against segunda mano. So, maganda kung halimbawang makabili kayo ng second hand if halimbawang walang-wala na talaga. So, we are encouraging na maging din kayo. Kasi in the future, malay nyo, mag-upgrade kayo ng parts nyo sa PC nyo. Maganda rin na makabili kayo kahit segunda mano kasi merong mga PC owners na sobrang galing mag-alaga ng kanilang mga parts. So, basta at least aware kayo sa age niya. So, merong mga manufacturing dates din yan para malaman niyo rin yung tunay na age ng PC, lalo na kung may box. So, worth it naman siya. So, just my piece of advice. If you are going to buy an alternative power supply na hindi itong nasa video na to, please do your research because power supplies are very crucial kasi, well, it powers your computer and any mishaps can happen and kailangan alam niyo yung ginagawa niyo. You have your manuals kasi ang power supply, it has modular and non-modulars. It's overwhelming para sa first-time PC builders. And I recommend Joy Delgado or Jay's 2 Cents. with PC building guides kapag sa mga check their YouTube channel kapag handling with first time with an item, with a PC part. So, pag sumabog yung power supply nyo, it's okay. You have to plug it out. You have to at least have some kind of way to extinguish it. Pero, pag ganun, it has done its job, guys. Kasi, pinigilan niya yung dapat gawin nung surge ng electricity or any surge of power na pwedeng ikahamak mo. So, recommend ko din, please do not do PC building sa carpet. So, do it on tiled floors. Wear your slippers. Do not wear socks kasi pwede kayong mag-ground. So, make sure na at least kahit ikaw lang mag-isa mag-build. Kasi baka mamaya you have dogs or kids messing around. So, mahirap na kasi maybe you're testing the powers and stuff. So, please be careful with that. Another reminder lang, kaya merong fan filter na binili yung friend ko. I recommended him na bumili para sa case na to kasi wala siyang fan filter sa unahan. Meron siyang fan grills na nag-act as fan filter pero you have to buy a fan filter para pino yung mga alikabok kasi. So, dapat pino rin yung fan filter para makatch niya talaga yung mga dust. And don't forget na pati ilalim nitong case na to ay meron ding filter. Pag maglalagay kayo ng fans, make sure na tingnan nyo kung paano ang diagram ng intake and outtake, pati airflow and air recycling. So, kailangan i-research nyo kung para sa inyong case, kailangan malaman nyo kung ano yung optimal airflow para malamig yung loob ng PC nyo. So, we lost a few footage, a few videos, in-skip na namin kasi unnecessary na. Kasi yung paglagay ng fans, madali na yan. There are multiple tutorials about it. And nagawa na ng girlfriend ko yung cable management. And nakabit na niya lahat ng kailangan ikabit dun sa motherboard. So, what's left is the GPU na dahil nga na-scam kami, we have proceeded na lang with a seller, a legit source dito sa area namin. So, we have decided na 1650 sana, but naubos. So, 1650. So, it's such a great price naman for GPU because ang ganda naman ng benchmark niya. And for the price point na ngayong panahon na nakita namin, sobrang sulit na siya kasi meron na siyang VR enabled. And although wala siyang RTX, kaya niya makipagsabayan sa mga 2060s pero iba pa rin kapag mas mataas. Pero this is still a great bang for the buck na GPU. Although may RX 580 pa tayo, ubos na kasi said na talaga yung graphics card sa mga sellers. So, if nagtataka kayo, why am I explaining everything and this, her girlfriend is doing all the hardware? Well, you're right. She knows all the hardware, where to place things, what to do, but she doesn't know what parts to buy or what's the market right now. So, I'm more inclined with that kasi I like gaming. I like to know what's new, what's the great benchmark, what's the great budget to have what's the great parts to have when you have a budget like this. So, I like watching that. And my girlfriend, she's a computer science IT major. So, she's into yung pagkukumpune and pag-fix hardware-wise. So, ako, after this setup, ako yung nag-install ng OS, ng BIOS because she's not aware of that. Ako yung nag-install ng drivers. When nagkakaroon ng troubleshooting software-wise, ako yung bahala. When hardware-wise, siya yung bahala. The perfect pair. And kung nandito ka pa rin, well, this is the first time it boots up. So, nung first time namin i-boot up to, hindi siya nag-boot up kasi meron lang hindi nalagay yung girlfriend ko na wire din sa motherboard. So, yun lang yun. After that, it booted up and then I installed flawlessly. Walang naging problema. Yung BIOS, yung drivers, and everything. Mabait yung PC. Napakabait. So this benchmark tool is called the Resident Evil 6 benchmark tool. So with Resident Evil games, it is graphically extensive. So mataas talaga yung nilalagay nila na assets. Yan, kita nyo maraming monsters. So it's a way to test the potential of the PC kung mararan ba talaga yung ganito kadaming mga ka-etchusan sa computer mo. So, it did receive a very high score, so it can render everything flawlessly with a game like Resident Evil. And with the intention of playing Valorant, yung Valorant niya, maganda naman. I just didn't get the video for it kasi it was quite a big file. If you have reached this end of the video, it's currently 5 a.m. here and I am so tired because I keep narrating shit. Pero it's so worth it because look at the setup. Damn, it's so beautiful. Every inch of centavo, well spent, yung 35k. So, if you like videos from my channel, keep supporting me so I can keep pumping out content like this. And thank you for sticking around till the end. Bye-bye!